I'll guide you through how to change or reset your Netflix password and manage your account without worrying about unauthorized access. If you're looking to secure your account after a security scare, or you want to disconnect a pesky family member and you need to update your Netflix account settings, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The process is incredibly simple, but there are a few important details to know. I'll walk you through everything, from changing a password you know to resetting a forgotten password, and then we'll manage the rest of your account settings. First, let's explore how to change your Netflix password if you're already signed in. The most reliable way to change your password is on a web browser. On your computer or mobile device, go to netflix.com and sign in. For iPhone users, you must use a browser as you cannot change it in the app. Hover your mouse over your profile icon in the top right corner and click Account. On a phone, tap your profile icon and select Account. Under the Membership and Billing section, you'll see Change Password. Click on it. Now, simply enter your current password, then type your new password twice to confirm. Before saving, tick the box that says Sign out of all devices. This is a crucial security step that logs out any device currently using your account, which is great if you suspect someone has unauthorized access. Click Save to confirm, and your new password is now active. Next, let's see how to reset a forgotten Netflix password. If you're locked out and can't sign in, you have a few easy ways to reset it. From the main Netflix login screen, click Forgot Password or go directly to netflix.com/loginhelp. You can choose to get a password reset link sent to your registered email or a verification code sent to your phone number. Simply select your preferred method, enter your details, and follow the instructions. Now that you've learned how to change or reset your Netflix password and manage your account, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Netflix video tutorials. Thanks for watching.